Good morning, welcome to my kitchen. So I wanted to do a couple fall desserts, but I had a hard time getting the ingredients for one of the two recipes I wanted to do. So I only ended up doing one, but it is absolutely elaborate. Realistically, it wasn't that much work, but there are a lot of steps to it, so it is a little bit time consuming in that sense, but ultimately they turned out absolutely delicious. So for today's video, I'm gonna be making salted butterscotch apple cheesecake bar things. This is not my own recipe. I will leave the recipe linked down below in the description box if you want to check it out. Mine did not turn out as aesthetically pleasing as the picture in the thumbnail, and that's simply because I couldn't find proper popsicle molds like that were silicone anywhere. I have hard plastic ones and I just didn't feel okay putting like a cheesecake cream cheese-esque filling in those. I just assumed that they would fall apart, which was probably the best thing to assume. So I ended up just using cupcake papers in the little cupcake trays, and that seemed to work out just fine, and they taste absolutely delicious. Sit back, relax, and watch some diabetes happen.